Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and today I'm going to do a cleaning video, sort of power hour style. I haven't done one like this in a while, but I have just about an hour to get a list of things done before I need to get out to the grocery store. And so it is 2:45, and I am planning to do as many things as I can before 3:45. So let's get started. I have had another busy morning, and so I really could use a power hour to get some things done before I head out to the grocery store. And I have to get to the grocery store so that I can make dinner tonight. So I've got just a little over an hour and a few things on my list that I really like to check off. And let me know if you guys like this style of video. I love power hours because when you set a timer for even 15 minutes, it's always so surprising to see how many things you can accomplish. We kind of make things out in our head to be really daunting, and oftentimes they're really not. You just need to make a list, set a timer, and get to it. I don't know about you guys, but in order to feel productive, I need to have a clean kitchen. It's kind of like making the bed in the morning. When it's in a mess, I just feel unorganized and unproductive. So that's where we're going to start today. I need to put dishes from the dishwasher away, reload the dishwasher, and put these things that are sitting on the countertop away as well. Before I start dealing with dirty dishes, I have to put on an apron. Are you guys like this? If I don't wear one, I will 100% be sure to mess up my clothes. Our pantry is on the door to the left behind me, and you'll see me going in and out of there because I store a lot of things in there. And if you guys are curious about that space, I do have a pantry organization video, and I'll try to remember to link that in the cards above for you guys. And I'm also planning to do a home tour soon, so be on the lookout for that. The big thing on my list today is to get all of the floors in the great room vacuumed. And so that's the living room where I am now, the kitchen, and the breakfast area. This is sort of the high traffic area of our home, and Austin is in full shed mode right now with the heat coming on. So I just need to keep on top of all of this hair that's flying around. But before I start on the floors, I really need to dust this coffee table. A lot of his hair and dust collect here, and with this dark wood, it really shows. Also, before I start on the floors, I want to vacuum the couch and the chairs. We do a lot of snacking in here, and so I'm sure there's plenty waiting for me to clean up underneath all of these cushions. I'm going to be using a new vacuum today. The company Dean Key sent me this stick vacuum to try out and review for you guys, and I'm really excited to put it to the test. I haven't owned a cordless vacuum in quite a while, and I've never had a stick vacuum before, but they look so convenient, and I cannot wait to see how this one works out. There are two different power settings, and I find that the lowest one works pretty well, but if you need some extra suction, the high power is great, and it's doing an awesome job on the cushions, especially as I flip them underneath and find all of those nice crumbs and things hiding for me under there. I've always really been interested in a stick vacuum, but the Dyson ones are so expensive, I just didn't feel it was worth it. I have a really great central vacuum and also a Miele that I love, but I have to say having a stick vacuum like this is super convenient. So if you guys are in the market for one that is considerably less expensive than the Dyson, this one might fit the bill for you. The original price is $169.99. The Denki company is giving my viewers a special price of $129.49. So check my description box below. There will be a link, and there you will receive a $15 coupon, and then you also use my special code, which I'll have for you guys, which will give you an additional $25.50 off. of this vacuum, and it's doing an awesome job of picking up all of Austin's hair, both off the carpet and the hardwood. The brush attachment is powerful enough for the carpet, so if you like carpet lines, it will do that for you. And it's also soft enough that I can use it on the hardwoods without worrying about it scratching. And I can go straight from the carpet to the hardwood without changing attachments or heads on this vacuum, so I find that to be a nice time saver and a huge convenience. While I got everything done on my list, I did go 10 minutes over, but in my defense, I was moving the camera around quite a bit, and I had a very persistent salesperson come to the door that I was trying to rush away so I could finish this power hour. So all in all, I would say it's a win, and now I can head to the grocery store knowing that everything's going to be clean when I return, and I can get dinner started and get on with our evening. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope it gave you some extra cleaning motivation for cleaning your home. Remember, if you just set your timer, you'll be amazed at how many things you can get done, whether it's 15 minutes, 30 minutes, a whole power hour. I hope that you guys will go for it. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Have a great week, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.